What do you mean? For example, the line golden grains giggle in the sun. Grains can't actually giggle.
Yes, I remember one more. These smile softly on one and on. A festival cannot smile.
Exactly. When we give human actions to things that are not human, it is called personification.
So the poet used personification to make Haryana feel lively and full of energy?
Yes, it helps us imagine the place as warm and full of welcoming life.
मैंने सुना है हरियाणा में 22 जिले हैं।
और हरियाणा का खाना वाह, बाजरे की खिचड़ी, रोटी, कढ़ी, छाछ। हरियाणवी सिर्फ खाना नहीं खाते, खाने को बनाते हैं।
हाँ, और एक बार मैंने बाजरे की रोटी बनाई थी। उफ, वो गोल नहीं बनी, वो भारत की नक्शा जैसी लग रही थी।
अभियान, अगली बार रोटी का गोला काटती हरियाणा की खेती जितना बड़ा बनाना।
वैसे हरियाणा की संस्कृति भी बेहद रंगीन है। घूमर, फाग, धमाल और यमुनानगर का ढोल बस दिल को नचा देगा।
और भाई, हरियाणा के लोग अपने अंदाजों में ही खास होते हैं। सीधे सपाट, दिलदार और थोड़े मजाकिया। घर जाएंगे तो बोलेंगे खाना खाकर जाना, और सच में खाना खिलाकर ही भेजेंगे।
खेल की तो बात करो। हरियाणा ने कितने पहलवान और एथलीट दिए देश को। ये लोग हमारी किताबों का बैग उठाकर भी पसीने नहीं आने देंगे।
मैंने सुना है हरियाणा की स्थापना 1 नवंबर 1966 में हुई थी, जब पंजाब बोला तू अपनी जमीन ले और मैं अपनी लेता हूँ।
शहर भी खूब है, गुरुग्राम, फरीदाबाद, हिसार, पानीपत, सोनीपत, हर तरफ पथ पथ वाले शहर।
इतना पथ की लगता है पूरा राज्य ही पथ परिवार है।
मैंने पानीपत लड़ाइयों का शहर। अगर पूछो वो क्यों नहीं किया तो बोल देना, मैं भी अपने नींद से पानीपत की लड़ाई लड़ रहा था।
बोली का क्या है यार, की बोली सीधी, मीठी और दिल से बोली जाती है। एक बार सुन लो तो दिल में बस जाती है।
बिल्कुल, और हरियाणा का अतिथि सत्कार तो ऐसा कि ना नहीं कह सकते।
सफर में ही हमने बहुत सी जानकारियां जान ली है, और ये यात्रा अभी रुकी नहीं है।
Hey, do you want to hear some cool facts about Haryana? Good morning, everyone. Buenos dias a todos.
Today we will share super cool facts about Haryana.
Y también algo parecido a la cultura de España. And also something similar to Spain's culture. Ready?
Let's start!
Saben que Haryana es famoso por sus bailes folclóricos es muy energéticos.
And Haryana loves sports. It is home to many Olympic levels wrestlers and boxers.
One popular dance is Ghumar, full of girls and colorful costumes.
Di bale flamenco, just like Spanish flamenco, lots of strong footwork and beautiful clothes.
En España, el también, el deporte es muy importante. El fútbol es súper famoso. Spain has famous bullfighting arenas one of the largest. Spain has famous. And Haryana has traditional Kushti akhadas. Both show strong cultural traditions.
En España también como pan, pescos, todos los días. Also, Spain eats fresh bread every day.
Both places love olive oil or ghee for their meals. Natural.
Haryana eats simple food like fresh roti, milk and ghee.
And Haryana celebrates vibrant festivals with colors, dance and joy.
Ambos lugares aman mostrar su cultura al mundo.
Let's play a guessing game.
Drone space alone, and I'm thinking of a special place in India.
Est-ce que le célèbre pour les femmes aînées? Oui, c'est le Haryana.
Oh, shoot, do we know the power to Haryana and France? Today we will talk about Haryana and France.
La Haryana est très importante pour l'agriculture. En Inde, la France aussi célèbre pour l'agriculture. Le Haryana est célèbre pour le lait et produits laitiers. La France est célèbre pour le fromage.
The Haryana is celebrated for athlete sport. The Haryana is famous for wrestlers and strong athletes. La France is celebrated for Jula football. The France is famous for football players.
Le Haryana, la France, sont fiers de leur culture. Les gens aiment leurs traditions. People love their traditions. Maintenant, vous connaissez des faits intéressants sur le Haryana et la France.
Ils sont différents, mais connectés. They are different but connected.
आखिर हम पहुंच गए हरियाणा.
धरती पर बने ये पुल सिर्फ रास्ते नहीं बल्कि इतिहास, विकास और भविष्य के सपनों को भी जोड़ते हैं. हर पुल अपने भीतर एक कहानी छुपी हुई है. आए जाने इनकी कहानी गणित और टुओ की जुबानी. Now, many people know Haryana for food, farms, sports and bravery. But today we look Haryana in a totally surprising way. Through mathematics, yes. Math, the same math that some of us are scared of. But don't worry, math will actually be fun today. Now is something interesting to share. Haryana became a state on 1st November 1966. Now if I try to count year like 1967, 1968, 1969. Oh no, that takes so much time. So instead of counting like that, we can use maths to find the answer quickly. We can subtract the years like this. 2025 minus 1966 equals to 59 years old. So, Haryana is 59 years. So, see, math helped us get answer in just few seconds, much faster than counting 59 birthday girls. And imagine knowing 59 birthday girls. Start before Haryana was. Now, everyone listen carefully. The area of Haryana is 44,212 square kilometers and the area of India is 32,87,263 square kilometers. That means India is much bigger than Haryana. To compare them, we can write a fraction. So we write Haryana by India, and when we make this fraction smaller, it becomes 1 by 74. That means Haryana is like one small slice of pizza that is cut into 74 pieces. If I had such a tiny pizza slice, I would need a magnifying glass just to see it. So, fractions help us compare big things and understand them easily. Namaste everyone. Welcome to Mass Newsline. Today's breaking news. Haryana has a population of 2.9 crore. Now, let's understand this big number using place value. 1 crore is equals to 100 lakh. That means 2.9 crore is equals to 290 lakh. That means total 290 lakh people. Wow, that's a huge number. There are almost more number of people than the number of pencils we use in school every year. Now imagine, if every person in Haryana gave us just one chocolate, we would get 290 lakh chocolates. That means enough for everyone here and still left over for our teachers. So friends, conversions help us understand big number using place value. Otherwise, we will sit like this. Thank you. This was Mass News Live. Stay tuned for more maths and more masti.
I'm here with something colorful and beautiful, just like Haryana. This is Fulkari, a famous art of Haryana. But wait, guess what? Math is hiding inside these designs. Look closely, you will find patterns, repeated designs, circles, triangles, symmetries, same on both sides. So now, Fulkari mandala buildings all looks beautiful because of math's rules. So now we know Haryana is not only fashionable and traditional and colorful. Haryana is fashionable and maths is the fashion designer. Without maths, design is not a talking kachra.
Ladies and gentlemen, today I am not just a student, I am Haryana ka human calculator. Sunrise time in Haryana is around 6:45 p.m. and sunset time is around 5:30 p.m. So let's calculate daylight duration. Parents, get ready. This is harder than checking your child's holiday homework. So 5:30 p.m. minus 6:45 a.m. would be 10 hours and 45 minutes of beautiful sunshine. Now imagine if we wanted to sow sunlight in jars, each jar would fill in about 5 minutes. So for 10 hours 45 minutes we would need more jars than we have in the school kitchen. So basically Haryana has a lot of sunlight. And maths helps us calculate time, duration and even compare seasons. Winter में sunlight come, summer में ज़्यादा. How do we compare this? With graphs, of course. For example, bar graph, line graph, and even pie charts. These help tell us which month is the hottest, which month has the shortest day, and which month is the perfect excuse to eat ice cream. So yes, nature gives us sunlight, but maths helps us measure it, graph it, and even joke about it. Who wants fresh Haryana sunlight? Today's special offer: buy 1 jar, get 10 hours free.
Hello everyone. Today I am Haryana's fast and curious driver. Let's talk about speed and distance with a little bit of drama. So, the distance between Delhi to Haryana's capital Chandigarh is about 250 kilometers. And suppose my super fast car goes 50 kilometers an hour. Parents, don't worry. I drive safer than you do during school pickup times. So let's calculate. 250 kilometers divided by 50 kilometers an hour would be 5 hours. Only 5 hours. Yet every 10 minutes, every single time. The classic question, are we there yet? But now, after learning time, distance and speed, I have upgraded. Whenever someone asks, are we there yet? I answer like a genius. Beep, boop, beep. According to my very serious calculations, we still have 2 hours 16 minutes left. You know what else maths helps us do? Compare speeds, plan travel, and decide how many snacks we need for the journey. So next time you travel to Haryana, remember, maths will tell you when you will reach, but only patience will tell you when students will stop asking questions.
Haryana showed us how maths is everywhere. Look around, maths isn't maths. Without maths, Google Maps would send us to Jaipur when we want to go to Jhajjar. Maths is in buildings. Engineers use angles, lines, measurements. Otherwise, every building would look like it's doing Zumba. Maths is in travel, distance, time, speed. And of course, calculating how many snack break children need. Maths is in population. Counting people is very important. Otherwise, Haryana might say, we have 3 crore people. And maths will say, no, please recount. Maths is in time. Sunrise, sunset schedules. Without maths, school timings would be, we start when we feel like it. So today, we learned something powerful. Maths is not only a subject in our books. Maths helps us understand the world. It keeps our mind sharp, smart and ready for the future. Haryana is strong, proud and rich in culture. And maths makes our mind strong and proud too. Thank you everyone. We have learned so much about Haryana through maths. Let's see how we will be connected to the world around us. Ram Ram. We are here to share a story about bridges and connection that we learned during our The World Around Us classes or 12. We traveled to many places, being in many imaginary situations and learned about different objects and materials.
Today, we would be discovering Haryana and the bridges that connect us together.
Let us take a closer look at how bridges help us in Haryana.
They connect villages, towns and cities, making daily life easier.
In Haryana, the Yamuna River flows wide. Bridges help us. Without bridges, crossing it would be slow and difficult. Bridges give us speed, safety and connection. I am a singer of Haryana and I will connect the stories through poems and songs. Oh bridge, you join two lands. You carry people hand in hand.
Parents, quick question. If there was no bridge around your home, would you struggle to go to school or work? Parents, raise your hand if you have ever walked across a bridge. Thank you.
Listen to the tap of the bridge. 3 things make the journey. Strong bridges make life safe and easy.
Beam bridge, flat like a plank found everywhere in Haryana.
Arch bridge, curved like a charm or a rising sun, uses compression.
Suspension bridge, uses tensions in the wires.
The road you drive on is the deck. The columns holding the weight, those are strong piers.
In Haryana, let's imagine what happens when the Yamuna River itself talks to the bridge. I am River Yamuna. I flow past Panwal and Karnal. I give water to fields and villages, but people cannot cross me easily. Oh River Yamuna, don't be sad. I stand strong on my peers. I carry buses, cars and children. Their footsteps are my music. You are not just a stone, you are the path of hope. Together we give Haryana strength, water for crops and roads for people. Bridge and river hand in hand, bringing unity across the land.
Bridges connect people.
and bridges give connection.
Water gives life. Food festival moments too. Bridges connect me and you. In Twa, we don't just see a bridge as concrete and steel. We see it as a story of materials and imaginations come together. Travel becomes learning and learning becomes a journey.
Each type of bridge has a special job. Together, they make life easier.
And just as bridges unite rivers and roads, they also unite people, cultures and traditions of Haryana.
This is why Pragyanam UTKARSH Express is just not a train. It is a bridge of knowledge that connects every subject together in the world we live in.
Taking road bridges don't just connect river and land, they also connect culture, music, dance and technology.
Even technology? How is that even possible? Why not? Look around you. Everything is connected like a web. The world around us connects us to all our subjects.
Yes, the slides you saw on our journey, they were all made by students.
Using ICT tools, flyers, presentations, color shapes, images, cut, copy, duplicate, animations, transitions, text on screen, everything.
And these same tools help us tell stories and share ideas of our everyday life.
Wow, that is interesting.
So come along, our journey isn't done yet. For the very last stop, let's explore the dance of Haryana.
जब जी चावे